Did you know that 14 years before the sinking of Titanic ship, someone had predicted that Titanic is going to sink, and twin brothers died at the same time in exact same way after being struck by lightning. Both of them lived in different cities, 1,000 miles away from one another. After watching this video, you will be completely shocked and surprised, and you will think, was this just a coincidence or something supernatural? In the year 1998, Morgan Robertson wrote a fictional book. Its name was Wreck of the Titan. In this book, he mentioned a luxury ship named Titan, which sank in the ocean. 14 years later, in 1912, as we all know, sinking of luxury Titanic ship took place, meaning that what Morgan Robertson wrote in his book 14 years before, the sinking of Titan, turned out to be true. Not only this, but the explicit details of sinking of Titanic exactly match with what was written in book 14 years ago. Like the ship sinks after colliding with an iceberg, and the same thing happened with Titanic in real life. It was also mentioned in the book that the ship is called the Unsinkable by the people, meaning a ship that can never sink. And you won't believe this, that Titanic ship in the real life was also called the Unsinkable. Also, the length of this fictional ship was quite similar to the real world Titanic ship. Now a question arises, was this just a coincidence, or writer Morgan Robertson knew the future? Tell me your opinion in the comment box. In 1883, Henry Ziegland broke up from his 5-year-old relationship. Because of this, his fiancée, Sarah, was heartbroken and she took her own life. Sarah's brother James was frustrated by this. He decides to take revenge on Henry. James sneaked out in his barn where he was working. He aims the gun at Henry and shoots him, but the bullet did not hit him. It got stuck in the trunk of the tree behind him. Henry was shocked. He had a panic attack and he fainted and fell on the ground, but he was still alive. James thought he killed Henry and shoots himself in the head and ended his own life like his sister. But 20 years later, one day when Henry was cutting down that tree where Dad's bullet was stuck, but the tree was so thick that it would take a lot of time and effort to cut it down with a saw. So Henry decided to use a dynamite to blow up the tree. So he tied the dynamite to the tree and ignited it. The tree exploded, but instead of being chopped down completely, due to the force of explosion, the bullet that was stuck inside the tree for 20 years came out in a speed and hit his head, instantly killing him, as if that bullet was only made for Henry and no one else. Even 20 years' time did not change the destiny or the target of the bullet. Twin brothers separated at birth and they were adopted by two different families in Ohio. They had no relation with each other and were completely unknown to each other, but both were named Jim by coincidence. And by coincidence, both studied the same thing and had a degree in law. Both lived in the different corners of the state. Both had no connection with each other. And yet, unknowingly, both of them studied the same thing. Not only this, both had the skill of carpentry. Both kept a dog whom they named Toy. And surprisingly, both married a woman whose name was Linda. And both divorced and then remarried the woman named Betty. And both of them had a same job in security. But the only different thing was their hairstyle. Though both of them had separate bodies, but it looks like their destiny were interconnected. They did not know all these things until year 1979 when they met each other for the first time in 40 years by coincidence. A man in Hungary was accidentally ran over by a taxi while he was walking near a cemetery. And surprising thing was that he falls near an open grave being dug for another individual with the same name as his own. In 1998, there was a football match in Central African state of Congo. Both teams were evenly matched and the scores were tied 1-1. Suddenly, a lightning struck and killed all 11 players of Congolese football team during the match. Surprising thing was that the players of the opposing team were completely unharmed. Nothing happened to them, as if thunder intentionally fell on the players of Congolese team. This exact nature of lightning strike became a matter of intense debate and fueling local suspicions of some kind of evil magic or of witch work. Hoover Dam, built on River Colorado, is not only famous for its gigantic size but also for a tragic incident that took place during its construction. On December 20, 1921, a crew was surveying locations for the dam, and one of the crew members, named John Gregory Turney, got trapped in the flooding Colorado River and died in this raging river. This was one of the first casualties of the Hoover Dam project. Then 14 years later, on December 20, 1935, one of the workers named Patrick Turney, John Turney's only son, also died after falling from one of the intake towers of the dam. The first person to die during the construction of Hoover Dam was John Turney in 1922, and exactly 14 years later, last person to die was his son Patrick Turney. The perfect alignment of three Orion Belt stars with Pyramid of Egypt is a strange coincidence. Even after Earth's rotation and revolution, these three pyramids exactly coincide with three stars of Orion Belt, trillions of kilometers away. Even today, building such a perfect structure is not possible. How this thing was achieved 5,000 years ago, when no one knew about geometry and geography of the Earth. Some even believe that these pyramids were built by aliens living on these three stars. King Umberto I of Monzo, Italy, in year 1900, meets a restaurant owner who exactly looked like him, same physique and same mustache like him. He talks to that man and surprisingly he finds out that he was born on the same day in the same town and married a woman with the same name as the king's wife, and surprisingly, he also opened his restaurant on the same day the king was crowned, meaning both of them started their career on the same day. The next day in the morning, the restaurant owner was killed by someone, and King Umberto I was also assassinated in the evening. Both of them died on the same day. Though there is no source or evidence that anyone identical to King Umberto I existed, but this incident is widely publicized on social media and internet forums as a strange, mysterious coincidence. But I think if someone who looks like the king would be quite famous in the town, and king would have already met him or known him, they would not be meeting for the first time, especially the day before their death day. In 1941, Soviet archaeologists opened the tomb of Amir Temur, a Central Asian ruler. An inscription already had warned them that disturbing this tomb would unleash a great war, and surprisingly, 2 days later, Nazi German force launched its invasion on the Soviet Union during World War II. Stalin believed in the curse and ordered Temur's tomb to be reburied. So that's it for this video. If by any chance or by any coincidence you are still watching this video, hit that like button, and I will see you all again in some other video with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.